Hi everyone, today is going to be a different kind of video because I decided to do a strict old school YouTube voiceover on this one. But it's basically a DIY hair treatment for which you only need one ingredient. Yes, only one ingredient. And if you come from an Asian, Indian, or even African household, you probably have rice somewhere laying around, so this will be pretty simple for you to do. I first saw this rice water trend on YouTube from other fellow girls who are trying to grow out their hair, and apparently indigenous Asian women of different areas have used this method for literally centuries for beautiful hair. However, also keep in mind that hair types vary and most of it comes down to genetics or ethnicity, so obviously Asian hair tends to be stronger and have less breakage, but I do believe that something can be said about using rice water on hair. I want to show you how you can achieve amazing results using rice water. This hair rinse always makes my hair super silky and shiny, and mind you, my hair is not naturally like this. I have very dry hair naturally and I get split ends so fast. So what you're going to need is obviously rice, a bowl to rinse it in, a strainer, a spray bottle. However, this one is optional because if you're doing this rinse on wet hair in the shower, you can also just pour it over your hair directly from the bowl. And you'll also need some sort of container to keep it in if you want to let the water ferment for a few hours or overnight. This is of course also optional. So you take about half a cup of rice, or 1 deciliter because I'm European, and pour it into the bowl, or in this case I'm using a pot actually. Rinse it thoroughly with water and really get in there with your hands. Then you want to pour it over to a different bowl or jug if you have one lying around. You can pour a few cups or about 8 deciliters of water in it. Then you want to leave the water in there for about 30 minutes and let the water soak up the rice. After 30 minutes, you want to drain the water from the jug and pour it into your container.
Milk carton, black and white face, smile vacant for the picture, parents waiting in the driveway. Oh my darling Arizona, why you packing up your suitcase? Hasn't anybody told you? Oh.
So this is when the fun part begins. I saw this YouTuber called Beauty Clove who gave the idea to put your hair in a bowl like this so as not to waste water that you're pouring on your hair. And by keeping your hair in the bowl, your ends will keep absorbing the water anyways. Then you want to spray the water over your roots and all over the hair. Rice has numerous benefits such as amino acids, B vitamins, vitamin E, minerals, antioxidants, and there is something called inositol, which is a carbohydrate found in the rice water, and it is said to strengthen and repair the hair and increase elasticity. It also stays inside the hair shaft even after rinsing, which means it will continue to protect the hair from further damage. Once you're done, you can put your hair up in a bun like I have done here, or just with some hair clips. I left my treatment in for about an hour, but like I said, you can also just pour this rice water over your hair as an extra step in the shower as you're washing your hair. So this is my final result. I actually filmed this the next day because I ran out of daylight and my hair takes forever to dry, hence the waves from having slept in a braid. I hope you liked this video and thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye!